Ozan, go on the front. Imamark ko yung shield kailangan mo i-prio heal yung shield. Gulimar, you two in front. Gulimar, just go on the front. I will go with you. Go on the back line. Go on the back line. Play back line, okay? Don't play front line, for God's sake. Type ready.
Sasabay na lang ba tayo
Okay,
sa engage nila?
let them engage. Let them. Okay, they miss. It's fine.
To.
Look at this in 3, 2, 1. Engage now. Engage. On this one. Focus on what is on the front, okay? Kite more. We need to kite. Cleanse. Kite more. Kite. Ozan, kite. Cut layer 2 in front. I'm gonna hold them. They have engage.
Gamit ko yung purity ko.
Focus on parak. Pressure. Put more pressure. Kite more. Kite. Nice one.
Patay.
Good
Gagi,
shit.
nice one.
Kite more. On this one, look, in 3,
Okay.
in 2. On me, on the crown. On parak. Nice, kite. They have engaged. I told you.
Patay ba? Heal. Heal.
I
Ah,
don't
take
have
me.
heals. I'm dead, yeah. Why the
Heal
healers
ka,
at the
Thea.
front? The fuck?
Mamatay oh.
Heal
Wala na ba?
Leia.
Heals.
Next caller
Heals on
kung
Ozan,
kaya.
please. Ozan, heals on the front, please. Ozan, heals. Heals on Ozan, please. Don't go in the front. If you are backline, play backline. Don't go in the front.
Huwag masyado malalim, Pahil.
Go for kite more. Kite. They have engaged.
Ay, pa ba?
Kite.
Ayun na.
They have
Down si
engaged.
ano.
Ready to snare charge,
Don't
okay?
engage
Ready to
eh.
snare charge the down song. It's snare charge. Good, silence. Okay, you can punish. Nice.
Ge, tama yan. Heal mo lang ako.
Ay, mana.
May engage.
Wala na akong vision. Hindi na ako makakall.
Parak. Vertical parak.
Come.
Okay, communicate kayo. Sige,
Wait lang.
communicate.
15 seconds, mana.
Lead.
Mag-headbutt lang tayo. Wait lang.
Lokin.
Up.
Ganito, yung may
Ready heal
pierce,
sa akin
siya yung
Ready
mag-call.
heal sa akin. Ayun.
Saman stream nga.
Ge, manguli ako. 3, 2.
Pierce,
Yan, oh.
tinamaan ng
Dalawa.
Pierce. Tinamaan ng Pierce. Nasa front.
Pierce. Ay, hindi. Wala pala. Mana.
Back.
Dalton sila.
Back. May ano na yan. May cooldown na.
Ebat. Pinipirst na arting si Ebat.
Nagkakite sila.
Push. Ako, hindi ko taka.
Mag-engage.
Up.
Ops.
Ito, may mga battle burn sa taas.
Pile. Nice.
Tatamaan ng Pierce Tatamaan ng Pierce.
Pierce, Ebat. Okay.
Huwag masyado malalim,
Pierce, di ko alam sino to. Ebat. Up. Listen na kayo.
Pile. Nice.
Parak.
Baka maano kayo. Ma-engage kayo dyan ha. So yan ang nga sinasabi. Okay. Hindi pa. Ready heal sa akin. Ready. Ready heal sa akin. Gi. Kite.
Kayo.
Oh my god. Patay na si Brando. Wala na. GG na.
GG na kayo. Patay na kayo.
What the hell?
Gago, sumabog. ko yung...
Sayang, kaya sana yun.
Pinapanood ko yung bot.
Mali-mali yung ko.
Gag.
Sabi niya, isa pa.
Gagi. Alam ko na
Sayang.
na. Paano...
Nabi, may bad talaga kasi.
Hindi.
Papatay ka din.
Fight kill zero, papatay ka. Kung gusto mo lumaban, labanan mo sila.
Nabi,
Play ko na ba? Yung bot?
Nabi,
Wait lang. Pili ko
Ano
malag
yan?
eh.
Ako ba
Gusto
yung tawag?
may post ko na lang sa iyo.
hindi kita makita.
Pag ganun, kasi nagko-call ako ng heal eh. So kailangan nyo mag-move forward. Para
Tapos
check
tunnel
na
ako
natin
sa
bot.
kuan,
Hindi
yung
ko
sa
pa rin
goaler.
kasi maano yung bot.